TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good morning, folks. Steve Rhodes coming to you live from the shores of, well, a drizzly and kind of nasty overcast day here in Delray Beach, Florida. But this is your 11 a.m. update. We begin our day. We've got a rally going on inside the U.S. indices. We've got the Dow up 334 points. S&P's up 26. NASDAQ is up 32. 32 for the Russell as well. 122 for the transports. Semis are up 32. NASDAQ compounds up 20. New York Stock Exchange is up about 203 points. We had gold up $4. Silver's up 19 pennies. Light sweet crude is back $1.37. Trade out at 76.02. Natural gas is off this morning. You've got copper futures down. 30-year Treasury printing out 22 ticks as we speak. Let's try to figure out what all that means by looking at that 9-panel market update chart. We begin with the upper left-hand corner with the ES Mini. The ES Mini is trading above profile resistance. It's trading above Friday's high out there. It's likely to continue its rally. Of course, we'll look at the intraday chart, see if there's any kind of signals out there for a top. We had a close above profile resistance on Friday. This morning or overnight, the test was a pullback to test that green oscillator and change line for the NQ. It's tested, it's rejected it. It's suggesting higher price as well. That is most certainly the same approach, the same signal coming from the Dow Equity Future contract. Again, everything trading above profile resistance, trading above its oscillator and change line. And in the case of the Dow, clearly trading well above Friday's high out there. If we take a look at high-grade copper, completed that TD9 count top on Friday. This morning it has pulled back and tested support. You've got a new profile that also formed on Friday. So 4.257 is your key level of support. If price were to close below that, you'd be looking to move back to 405. So far, so good. We had gold that negated its TD9 count top. It's got an A to B equals CD pattern if we want to draw that in there. But really what it's headed towards is that 28-26 level. It's TD9 count breakdown resistance area. In the case of silver, we're looking for a close above the top of its profile. In order to do that today, you need to see a close above 31.32. If we get that, it's likely rally on for metals as well. Light sweet crude has pulled back and has tested support. It's a key level of support. It's both the green oscillator and change line and the bottom of its profile. I don't believe we've seen light sweet crude below the bottom profile for a while out here. The level to be watching at day's end is going to be that low, which is going to be at 75.80. If we close below 75.80, increase the odds will move to 68.94. Natural gas right now is testing support. That's its oscillator and change line. It did form a sell the D point top, and the 30-year Treasury looks like it wants to continue to rally. Folks, stay tuned for the Trader's Edge show. But if you're off to start your Tuesday, have a terrific one. Thanks for joining us. We'll look forward to speaking with you again soon. Take care now.